There we go. We're on. Look at us. We're on, folks. Okay, it's Vlogmas in July, right? Hey, isn't that what the YouTubers call it? Vlogmas in July. It's videos every day. So I'm forcing myself to do videos every day. It's late. We're getting a really late start today. It's 5:40 in the evening almost. So we're gonna have to work fast. Today's video is gonna come out a little late, but it's gonna come out today. I don't know what kind of video we're gonna get out today, but we're gonna get out a video because I have to deal with yesterday's problem and prep the body for its overall coat of clear. So let's do that. Okay, welcome back, friends. Today, what I'm hoping to do is get into this cheeky little repair that I made yesterday with some sandy paper and hopefully get rid of any evidence of hard lines. So I'm going to hit it with a little bit of 1000, and I'm just going to use a little pad behind it just as a substrate, if you will. And I'm going to go at this dry because I want to sort of impede my ability. Actually, I want the sandpaper to get a bit plugged up. Normally I would hit this with a bit of water, but I kind of want it to fight itself a little bit so that it's like a way of forcing it to go slower, if I could use that as an analogy. I'm doing fish. There, you see? You turn the corner and it becomes unnoticeable. So I've got a really hard line here. So you can see this hard line here. And I'm just going to try to just feather it away. You see, that's what I want. So if I cover it with clear coat, you can't see it. See? When I clean it, this is the least glamorous part of this job, and it's the one that if you don't do carefully and thoroughly can have the biggest impact on your finish. If you just learn to love taping, I mean, I'm sure there's some people who get into doing this, but not me. I'm not your guy. I hate this. But I've become painfully aware that if I don't do it, don't take my time doing it, and if I notice errors like I have just right now, don't redo it. If you don't take your time taping and do it cleanly and methodically, you have a mess to clean up. So, see you back in a second. Alright, so we've got the body hung up here. Nice little hook. The fretboard all taped up. Now I'm just going to clean it down and give it a spray. Okay, there we go. Here's a coat of clear all over the body. Alright, here I am with my phone. Final coat. All that orange peel you see, that's factory. Unfilled grain, I'm not gonna touch it. My paint's gonna dry completely flat to what was there before. And that's gonna be that. And if we... Oh, that color combination is my favorite. And now we just wait.